extensive expertise in bioconjugation technologies, proper infrastructure, and then the willingness to adapt to ever-changing technologies is very important for ADC success. We as a CMO have been working on ADCs since 2008. Over the years, we have learned a lot when we have executed many programs, and also we have worked on understanding the upcoming technology changes and the equipment change and also manufacturing scale changes. As the programs advance further in the clinics, there is going to be a lot of changes that will be needed. We have anticipated some changes, and we were able to implement the new technology into our manufacturing process. One of the changes that we anticipated and implemented was single-use technology for ADC conjugation. Several ADC processes use solvents such as DMSO and DMAC, and customers were concerned about the compatibility of single-use bags with these solvents. We as a company have access to this technology and the expertise, so we were able to reach out to our colleagues who know how to address these concerns, and we were able to get the single-use technology implemented in ADC processing. As a result, we have successfully produced several GMP batches, and we have many more lined up. ADC Express service is rapid production of ADCs for preclinical candidate selection. Customers have an idea of an ADC, however, they may lack the infrastructure or the know-how. That's where we can step in and then turn that idea into an ADC that they can take to market and finally to patients.